Hello students, today the topic of our lesson is adjective degrees and their types. We would discuss all these types with definitions and examples. Before going into details, I am stating the learning objectives. The learning objectives are to define adjective and all its types, to form degrees from adjectives of quality, and to identify these degrees in different sentences. Definition of adjective. A word which describes or modifies a noun or a pronoun is called an adjective. It is also called a describing word. Examples of adjectives: 1. Tall boys. 2. Real stories. 3. Loving son. As a reminder, I mentioned the kinds of adjectives so that to refresh your knowledge. 1. Adjective of quality. 2. Adjective of quantity. 3. Adjective of number. 4. Demonstrative adjective. 5. Distributive adjective. 6. Interrogative adjective. 7. Possessive adjective. 8. Exclamatory adjective. 9. Emphasizing adjective. 10. Proper adjective. Kinds of degrees of adjectives. There are 3 kinds of degrees of adjective: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. The 4th degree is the degree of equality. This degree is shown with the help of positive degrees. The first one is positive degree. An adjective is said to be in a positive degree when there is no comparison. For example, this is a big house. 2. He is a good player. 3. She is an intelligent student. Now, big, good, and intelligent, these are adjectives. Here we make no comparison with any other thing or person. The second type is comparative degree. An adjective is said to be in the comparative degree when there is a comparison between two things. For example, this house is bigger than that. or he is a better player than his friend. Mostly we make comparative degrees with the help of ER, adjective plus ER, like small, smaller, short, shorter. But in some exceptional cases, we cannot make a comparative degree with the help of ER. In that case, we use more before the adjective. Beautiful, more beautiful. Now, superlative degrees. A superlative degree is that degree when we compare more than two things. It denotes the highest degree of quality. For example, this is the biggest house in the whole town. He is the best player in his team. She is the brightest student in the whole class. Here in these three sentences, we have the word big. Big, bigger, biggest. Good, better, best. Bright, brighter, brightest. Another degree is the degree of equality. A degree of equality is the degree which compares two things or persons with the help of as plus positive degree of adjective plus as. For example, this tree is as tall as that one. He is as punctual as his father. The fat boy is as slow as a snail. He is as wise as an owl. All these are the examples of similes which are made with the help of positive degrees of adjectives. Here on this slide, you will find all types of adjectives: affirmative, comparative, superlative, equality. So all these types, they may be either one syllable, two syllables, three syllables, or some exceptional cases like good, better, the best, and negative. The example of negative degree is little, less, the least. Dear students, I hope that you would have learned the degrees of adjectives. Thank you very much. Goodbye.